All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is probably gonna be the last cold start. Oh yeah. Gotta warm up a little bit. Such a windy day. I don't like it at all. Oh man, it has been a minute since I uploaded a video. So by the title of this video, yes, I am putting this car back to stock and I will post it for sale. Not right now, not right away, maybe by February or early March, because I'm trying to get a little manual car first before I sell this car, so I can get something faster. Now, I wanted to keep this car, but I have decided that to just let it go because number one reason, I have this car for almost 9 years now. So next year, 2024, will be 9 years since I purchased this car, and I wasn't planning on keeping this car for that long, but here we are. So one of the reason why I want to sell this car, come on, not right now, it's because I have this car for so long now. I'm like bored of it, and then I just want to get something fresh and new. And I know that I talked about the Supra, how I want to get a Supra. Yes, I still want to get the Supra, but if I can't find one or get, like, without markups and all that, I will settle with a M240i X-Drive, and I don't care anymore at this point. I just want a B58. That's all I want. Even if I can get this Supra right now, I will get an M240. But the thing is, and the other thing is, it's car insurance. Car insurance are expensive right now. Like, let's see, for example, I have the GX460, this car, and let's say I get a Supra, and then I get a little manual car, which is gonna be like a Honda. It's just like an old car, just because I just wanna get used to how to drive manual cars. So that's 4 cars, and insurance are not cheap. Like for the GX460 with full coverage, it's $1,200 every 6 months, and this car with full coverage, it's $980 every 6 months. Even 6 months. Even when I had the Honda that I sold, that one, even though it was an old car, I used to pay at least $600 for full coverage every 6 months. So, and when I call State Farm, I asked them like how much would it be to put insurance on a Supra or maybe an M240i. They told me it was gonna be $1,200, like just like the GX, and that's a lot of money, you know, every 6 months to spend on insurance. Now, if the channel was doing good, the car could pay at least the insurance for itself, okay, I would keep it, but that's not the case. And another thing is, why spend money that you have on, like, your pocket money to put down on a car, while I can just sell this car that been paid off and use that money as a down payment in another car. So that's like one of the reasons why I decided to sell this car, because one I'm like bored with it because I have it for so long, and then two, I just, instead of using money for like pocket money to put down on a car, I can just sell this car and use the money as a down payment, and then whatever money I had to put the down on the new car, just save it and do something else with it. Now, if I knew what I know now, I would, back in 2015 when I bought this car, I think I would buy a 3IS instead of a 2IS, and I will let you know why. Let me go inside the store real quick and I will be right back. All right, so we are back. So the main reason I said that if I knew what I know now, I would buy a 3IS is because I know some of you guys gonna say, well, let's supercharge this car. Yeah, it would be fun, but I just don't feel like spending another 10 to 12 G's to add this supercharge on here, because it's not just you're gonna towards supercharge and be done. There's other stuff that you have to do. And then I supercharge this car, and then when it comes down to transmission, I would have to rebuild this transmission and spending more money. It just doesn't make sense. That's why I said that if I knew what I know now back then, I would have just bought a 3IS, because it has the 8-speed automatic, which is a lot stronger, and you can't even tune it. And then there's no point of spending all that money now on this car when there's so many cars out there. When you so many cars out there that has good power and great transmission with just a downpipe and a tune, and you get freaking plenty of power. It's just, it doesn't make sense now to spend another 10 to 12 G's on this car just to get made 400 horsepower to the wheel, and then you're gonna have to deal with transmission in the back of your mind, saying that, oh my god, I have transmission is gonna go out, it's gonna blow, I'm just gonna have to rebuild it. It just doesn't make sense just spend like another 10K on this car. So yeah, I will right now I'm in the process of taking the car back to stock. Like the F Sport air intake is gone. Well, it's still at home, but it's already off the car. The ISF power steering ECU, I saw that already. The pedal commander, I saw that already. Wheel and tail light, I saw that already. And I think, yeah, I saw the differential bushings that I bought. I saw these too. And then someone is gonna come from Tampa. Is gonna drive to pick up the Trozy exhaust. I just have to let them know when I took it off, and then he'll drive and pick it up. And the Nvidia axle back, I still have it, but some dude on eBay told me that give him about 2 weeks, he'll buy it. So I'm just waiting. So the next thing I need to take off is the car plating, the steering wheel, and then the shocks and springs. That one I'll do last because it's a lot of work. And then I think after that should be it. There's nothing else left. And then I will take the car to a shop that I already had a quote to do a full paint correction, and then I will put the car up for sale. But that won't be until like February-ish, because I know because of times and stuff like that. So there's a lot of stuff I would do if the channel was doing good. I'm doing this for me and for fun, but at the same time, if the channel was doing good, I would probably do some stuff. But the channel is not doing good. I'll be lucky to even get like 100 views in a month. So I don't care about that really, but because I'm just doing things for fun and stuff like that. So I think for me it's time to move on now. Unfortunately, it won't be another Lexus, because right now I don't think Lexus has anything for me, like anything fun. I know that they have those F cars, but that's something I will get on the future, because those F cars, again, they don't have a big aftermarket support. It's just, again, you're gonna spend a lot of money just to barely gain a little bit of power. So, and the only Lexus F they can tune is the ISF, and I don't want an ISF. I feel like if I buy an ISF, it'll be the same car with a different engine, so I'm over that car. And then if I buy an RCF, if I wanted to tune that, it has to be only 2015 and 14, and the RCF that I like are 2020 and up when they do that refresh. And then just a quick research, you got headers for those cars are like $3,000, and if you want to code them, like code them and stuff like that, it's another $500. Exhaust for these cars are like $2,500. On the cheapest one for RCF is in Nvidia, but then you do all that, you spend all that money, do all that work, and you barely even gain freaking 20 horsepower to the wheel. It's just, for me, Stuff like that just it just doesn't make sense at all. So that's why for now, I mean, I still have a Lexus, the JX. I mean, it's not something I'm gonna make content on, so it is what it is. So yeah, so actually today I was gonna put the car on a jack stand and just take the exhaust off, but I don't feel like doing that because jack stand now is just I can't deal with that anymore. It's not that high, and you just underneath of the car, you hurt your back, you hurt your hips and all that. I don't want to deal with that. So in the weekend I can go to my brother's job. I just put the car on the leaf and then take the exhaust off, but the only thing is I have to bring the stock one on. So hold on, let me pull out a little bit, it's too dark in there. So yeah, the car will be for sale, and I think that's about it. So the sway bars, the Sport chassis brace and sway bars, some dude in Cali is gonna buy them. Now the chassis brace is already off, but the sway bars, again, when I put the car on the lift to take the exhaust, I'll just do this sway bars, and you can pay for them, and I'll ship them to California, which is gonna be it's not gonna be cheap. So yeah, that's this is gonna be probably the last video you see on the, well, not maybe not the last, but I'm pretty sure this is the last one we are going to see. And I don't even know when I will make another video, not until I get a new car. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wish I could keep this car, but car insurance too expensive, and I have it for like I said, next year will be 9 years, and I'm just bored of it. I have to sell it, so it is what it is. And I know a lot of you guys are gonna unsubscribe because I'm going to sell this car, but at this point it's okay. It is what it is. If you want to stay and support the channel, thank you, and thank you for those who has been watching my videos for the past maybe 3-4 years. And well, yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys have a good end of the year, like Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I will see you guys next year, because I don't think I will post another video again. So take care, and I will see you guys whenever I upload.